The Toli News Agency has strengthened its cooperation with China Media Group, aiming to expand media content exchange and enhance professional capacity in the sector. President of Tatoli's Board of Directors, Noemi Mateus Suarez Falcão, said the visit by the CMG team reflects the continuation of an ongoing partnership between the two institutions. Previous collaboration has included joint documentary production and media coverage, such as filming activities at the Guido Valadares National Hospital, highlighting the work of Chinese doctors in Timor-Leste.
Sira mahala visita ya Tatoli, ne tamba serviço hamutuk nebe mak Tatoli ho CMG halo tena antes am serviço hamutuk ne continuação. Federal ne equipa delegação botira mak mayu si Sina serviço hamutuk Tatoli halo cobertura halo filme documentário ida iha Hospital Nasional Guido Valadares liliu ba serviço sira nebe mak doutor sira mayu si Sina nian. Nebe mak halo serviço iha Hospital Nasional ho fatin seluktan nebe mak doutor sir coloca ba e equipa ne halo serviço ho diacteve serviço hamutuk Tatoli se halo publicação ida konaba serviço be doutor Sina sira iha Timor-Leste.
Both sides agreed to further reinforce cooperation in the future, particularly through capacity-building programs in human resource development.
Ohen ami kuliah katak usui parte rua nene serviço hamutuk ida ne precisa continuar na fatin e siramos convida atu Tatoli nia ema ba halo estudo comparativo iha China e nonemos truca conteúdo entre parte rua none ba oine saída mak TMG iha ma conteúdo nebe mak TMG iha bele halmos publicação he Tatoli e Tatolimos nia conteúdo nebe mak kuliah kona ba turismo, desenvolvimento economia, kuliahmos ba kona ba cultura, problemas social saída ita bele los fosai de canal Tatolinian mas vemos fosai canal media sir nebe mak hamutuk HMG mutuk organização media.
China Media Group has been working with Tatoli since 2024 to strengthen global media cooperation.